In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up reminders in Quip. If you've ever wished your notes and to-dos could nudge you at the right time, this simple built-in shortcut will keep your deadlines and follow-ups front and center without juggling extra tools. Start by opening the Quip document where you want the reminder to live. It can be a meeting notes page, a project plan, or even a personal checklist. The benefit of placing reminders directly in the document is that they sit alongside the exact context you care about, so everything stays connected and easy to find. When you're ready to add a reminder, move your cursor to the spot in the document where it makes the most sense. Then type the shortcut @reminder. You'll immediately see a small calendar widget appear, letting you choose a date. If you prefer something simpler, like just anchoring a date in your text without calling it a reminder, you can also type @date and pick a date from the same calendar. Both options are quick, but @reminder is ideal when you want to highlight that a specific action or deadline needs attention. Use the calendar to pick the date that works for you. You can click to navigate to future months and then click the exact day you want. If you like keyboard navigation, use your arrow keys to move around the dates and press Enter to select. Once chosen, Quip places a clear, clickable token in your document, making the date obvious at a glance. For clarity, add a short description before or after the reminder so it's clear what the date refers to. For example, write your task or milestone first, then insert @reminder to lock in when it should be reviewed or completed. Keeping the reminder right next to the related text helps teammates understand the context without searching elsewhere. If you pick the wrong date, don't worry. Simply delete the token and type @reminder again to bring the calendar back up and select the correct day. This makes it easy to adjust as plans evolve. And if you only need to reference a date without framing it as a reminder, stick with @date to keep things neat and consistent. That's all there is to it. Open your document, type @reminder or @date, and choose the date from the calendar widget that pops up. With this lightweight workflow, your important dates stay visible where you're already working, helping you stay organized and on track.